Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Edulap YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to show you a quick and efficient way to hide specific rows in Microsoft Excel. Let's say you have a list of customers and you want to hide certain ones without deleting them. The first method is the most straightforward. Simply select the row you wish to hide. You can select multiple rows by holding down the Ctrl key and clicking on each row number. Once selected, right-click on any of the selected row numbers. From the context menu that appears, simply click on Hide. And just like that, the rows are hidden. To unhide them, select the rows above and below the hidden ones, right-click and choose Unhide. Now let's explore an even quicker way, especially useful if you have many non-contiguous rows to hide based on a specific value. First, copy the exact value from a cell within the rows you want to hide. For instance, if you want to hide all rows containing Ghulam Mustafa Fashion LLC, copy that text. Next, press Ctrl+F to open the Find and Replace dialog box. In the Find What field, paste the text you just copied. Now click on Find All. This will list all occurrences of that text in your worksheet. To select all these found cells, press Ctrl+A. You'll see that all the corresponding rows are now selected. With these rows selected, navigate to the Home tab in the Excel ribbon. Then in the Cells group, click on Format. Under Visibility, hover over Hide and Unhide, and then select Hide Rows. Voila! All the rows containing Ghulam Mustafa Fashion LLC are now hidden. To unhide them, simply press Ctrl+F again. In the Find and Replace dialog box, with the text still in Find What, click Find All, then Ctrl+A to select all instances. Close the Find dialog and then go back to Format, Hide and Unhide, and choose Unhide Rows. This method is incredibly efficient when you need to hide or unhide multiple rows spread throughout your data that share a common value. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the Edulap channel for more useful Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next video.